Right now, millions of first-time buyers are doing the same thing, watching the market, waiting for rates to drop, waiting for price to fall, waiting for the right moment. And while they wait, other buyers are quietly getting ahead of them, not because they are smarter, not because they are earning more, but because they stopped waiting and started doing three specific things that most buyers completely overlook. And I'll be honest with you right now. Step two is the one that will surprise you the most. It's the one that people skip, and is the one that cost them years. So if you leave before we get there, you will miss the exact thing that's been slowing you down without you even realizing it. So stay with me. Whether you are just starting to think about buying your first home, or you have been trying to buy for months and you keep hitting walls, this 3-step applies to you. This isn't theory. This is what the market actually rewards right now. Let's get into it. Step one, your credit score doesn't just determine whether you get approved for a mortgage. It determines how much mortgage costs you every single month for the next 30 years. Let me explain better. Two buyers, same $350,000 home, same down payment. Now, buyer A has a credit score of 620. Their rate is around 7.2%. Monthly payments will be around roughly $2,370. Now, buyer B has a credit score of 760. Their rate is around 6.1%. Now, their monthly payments will be roughly $2,120. Now, same house, same down payment, and that's about $250 difference every single month. That is the cost of ignoring your credit score. So here's how you fix it fast. You see, first, get your credit utilization below 10%. That's how much of your available credits you are currently using. Drop it below 10% and your score can jump 20 to 40 points within 60 days. Now, second, don't close old accounts, even the ones you never use. Length of credit history matters. Closing an old account or cards can actually drop your score overnight. So make sure you start here. Everything else build on this. Now, step two. This is the one most people skip. Most first-time buyers think about number one, the down payment. They save for down payment and think they are ready. They are not. On a $350,000 home at 5% down, that's about $17,500. But closing costs add another $7,000 to $17,000. Now, cash reserve, your lender requires another $5,000 first year repair, and since the inspection missed, budget at least $3,000. Your real number is closer to $35,000 to $45,000, not $17,500. I know that's confronting, but here is why this matters so much. When you know your real number, you stop drifting. You have a target. You can reverse engineer exactly how long it takes based on what you save each month. Now, goals fails. Specific number works. What's your real number? Write it down before this video ends, or you can let me know in the comment section how much you're saving. Now, step 3, and this is what separates buyers who move fast when opportunities show up from buyers who hesitate and lose. Most first-time buyers treat the house market like the weather. Sometimes that happens to them. Smart buyers treat it like a subject they are studying. Pick 2 or 3 zip code you'd actually want to live in, not 20, 2 or 3. And for the next 90 days, track everything. How many homes are listed each week? How fast are they going under contracts? Are prices dropping or rising? How long are homes sitting before they sell? You can do all this free on Zillow. So make sure you do that and make your studies in 90 days, just 2 to 3 zip code. Because when you've been watching the same area for 90 days, something shifts. You start feeling like a confused outsider, and you start feeling like someone who knows the market. And that's confidence. That confidence changes everything. How you talk to agents, how fast you evaluate the listing, how quickly you make a decision when the right home appears. It's a competitive market. Hesitation is expensive. The buyer who's been studying for 90 days makes an offer the same day. The buyer who just started looking needs 2 weeks to feel comfortable. That 2 weeks cost them the house. Now, 3 steps, just 3 steps. Fix your credit before you need it. Build your real number, not a hopeful one. Study your local market like it's your job. None of these need a perfect economy. None need rates to drop. They just need you to start. Now, subscribe, because every week I break down the real housing market in a way that actually makes sense for first-time buyers. And if you haven't watched my last video, watch it right now. The people who owns home in 2027 are making moves right now. So make sure you start today as well.